Most people download Brave because they're tired of being tracked, but if you just install it and leave it on default, you're only getting half the privacy you paid for. You're basically using Chrome with a purple logo. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you 5 critical settings you need to flip right now on your Android to turn Brave into a ghost. And stay until the end because the last setting is the only way to stop Brave from eating your battery in the background. First, let's kill the distractions. Open Brave and tap the 3 dots in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings, tap Brave Shields and Privacy. Look where it says Block Trackers and Ads. You'll see it set to Standard. Tap that line and switch it to Aggressive. Standard is weak. Aggressive kills the ad tracking code before it even starts to load. This makes your pages load up to 3 times faster on mobile data. Next, look for Upgrade Connections to HTTPS. On the Pixel, this isn't a switch, it's a menu. Tap it. It's usually set to Whenever Possible. That's a security hole. Change this to Require all connections to use HTTPS strict. Now, if a site tries to use an insecure connection to steal your data, Brave will block it entirely. This is non-negotiable for public Wi-Fi. While you're in this menu, ensure Block Fingerprinting is toggled on. This stops websites from using your Pixel 7's unique specs to track you without cookies. Now, scroll to the bottom. See those toggles for Facebook and Twitter logins? Turn them off. Leaving these on allows social media companies to track your browsing even if you don't click their buttons. If you need to log in later, you can turn them back on for a second. Privacy first. Now, let's get you paid. Brave Rewards isn't inside the main settings, it's on the 3-dot menu. Scroll down and tap Brave Rewards. Allow notifications, tap Start using Brave Rewards and select your actual region. Don't lie about your country or you'll get banned. Now tap on Continue. Once you're in, tap Ad Settings and crank notifications ads to the maximum ads per hour. You won't see annoying pop-ups, you'll just earn more BAT for those high-quality images on your new tab page. It's free money for doing nothing. Finally, let's save your battery. Go to Settings, then Tabs and Tab Groups. Tap Move to Inactive Section and change it from 21 days down to 7 days. Then toggle Automatically Close Inactive Items to On. Most people have 100 tabs open that they haven't looked at in months. Those tabs are sucking up RAM and draining your battery in the background. This setting forces Brave to clean up so your phone stays fast. If this helped your Pixel run better, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech video. I'll see you in the next one.